can I trademark a business name that is basically my first name plus a descriptive name of what I'm selling? It's an online only business. I'm selling mostly through eBay and on my own website. For examples like John's Bicycle Shop, it's well known for a niche market, but still a home-based one-person business. Is this something that's very unlikely to be approved because it's descriptive? If yes, do you think it's a 50-50 shot? If I'm unable to
Yeah.
work on. Yeah, what do you think, Matt?
That's a good question. Let's do a little bit of on the fly research. How's
I
that?
love it. Yeah.
I'm thinking specifically in the bike reference is kind of apropos because we have a company here called Eric's Bike Shop,
Okay.
and they're pretty well known. And you can guess what Eric's Bike Shop is pretty
Bike
easily, right?
Yeah. Pretty
Yep,
descriptive.
pretty descriptive. So it is registered at the USPTO on the principal database.
There you go.
So generally speaking, the answer is no in my world for a couple reasons. One, it's going to be almost impossible to enforce. It's going to be very difficult to get the trademark too. But I want to look and see really quick if there was any pushback on the application. Bike shop was disclaimed. So he still had to enter the bike shop, but he was able to register Eric's
Eric's with the apostrophe.
with the apostrophe.
Okay.
That's pretty wild to me. I mean, it's a pretty well-known company, so I want to look at one more thing, and
Yeah.
maybe that'll give us a little bit more. Oh yeah, so they go back to 1977.
Okay, so they've had some secondary meaning, no doubt.
They
that
got
it's applied.
secondary meaning. Look at you, JD.
Yes.
Secondary meaning acquired
Ooh.
distinctiveness 2F amendment. Yeah, that's great. So yes and no. You got to be pretty gosh darn well known to make this work for yourself, both from
Okay.
a sales standpoint and a trademark registration standpoint.
So likely not a 50-50, more like a 0.5 to 100. And
I
then
would do whatever I could to get the client to change their brand.
Okay, good.